Yes, we're going to talk less about technology and more about people in this session. So yes, I'm the founder and CEO of kama.ai. I'm also an Indigenous person. Our company is Indigenous owned, and we are looking at how people can be used and how people can deliver technology with purpose or AI with purpose. Our purpose is to develop the most transparent, ethical, and emotional conversational intelligence on the planet. So there's our purpose. And we're going to do this. I mentioned I'm an Indigenous person and we're an Indigenous company. So we're going to do this with some help from the grandfather teachings. You can see the words around this circle. The circle is more like the medicine wheel, but the words are the grandfather teachings. And we'll look first at courage. So firstly, if we're developing AI, and we all know that AI can be dangerous, can say the wrong things, we have to have the courage to look for the opportunities to do the right thing and to deliver our purpose in a good way. We're powerful people, we can create powerful things. We have to use our power for good. So the opportunities are often found not on the beaten path. The person you see here pulling a boat is actually my great-grandfather. He's taking a bunch of miners in northern Ontario to where they believe the minerals are. So he was going off the beaten path to lead these other people, these miners, hundreds of miles in the north to find the new mine, the new opportunities. And that's what we have. We have a world of opportunities. We have to look for the courage to do it in a responsible way. We had the courage. Everyone here is talking about large language models, and we like that too. But we're a different type. We have the courage to go and build something very different. The one that you see on your right is actually a graph-type database, not a big data model. It's a graph-type database, and we had the courage to try to deliver a conversational intelligence on top of that. What about some of the other grandfather teachings? Wisdom, truth, and honesty. Well, a famous VC said there are no shortcuts to knowledge, especially if the knowledge is gained through personal experience. Tacit knowledge cannot be replaced easily. This is a canoe builder, a knowledge keeper, a guy named Chuck Commanda. With our community, he's built 2 canoes already with us. He's now going to build another one this summer, and that'll be our 3rd. We think we might be able to build a canoe after that. That type of tacit knowledge could not be replaced and repeated. We believe this is where humans come in. Humans need to put that information into the system so that people can get it out. Let's talk about the respect. As developers, we have a lot of things that we need to respect. User experience, accessibility, privacy, data sovereignty, governance. These are all forms of respect, but also the planet. If we can make an AI that consumes less electricity for training, et cetera, then we're doing a very good thing for the planet. But there's a lot of areas for respect. Where do we spend our time? Just to let you know, we want to deliver information in an accessible way. We're not going to create the words. The words are going to be created by humans. We're going to deliver those proper words, grounded in reality, to users, and that's what we spend our time on. Intelligent retrieval of information. Also on some of those respect areas, privacy, data ownership, etc. Also making sure our system is transparent and therefore governable by enterprises or other users. Making sure that we've got full transparency within our system, and also that it, as I mentioned, we don't burn up a lot of training in terms of energy, because that's a precious resource that can be used for many other things. Ultimately, delivering safe, responsible, and ethical AI, and empowering our customers to deliver their social value through our platform with words of truth, honesty, and respect. Thank you very much.